up, guys? I'm gonna do a little starter toolbox for you guys. 2 years in, show you guys what I got so far. Come right here, got my basic hand tools that I use on a daily. Snap-on 3/8 ratchet, some hex, some Torx, 3/8 sockets, standard, a wire brush for cleaning the mating and mounting surfaces, box cutter, got a little cheap tape measure. Right here I got my magnetic tray for certain jobs, some little pocket screwdrivers, got some impact sockets right here. Right here I just got some rags, a funnel, and some miscellaneous parts. Come right here, got my Snap-on long ratchet, locking flex head, some standard wrenches. I've had this thing forever. It's a Pittsburgh adjustable ratchet, works great. Little cheap torque wrench. And then down here I got all my power tools. I've got the Milwaukee 3/4 fuel brushless, filter wrenches, strap wrench from Snap-on, little impact driver, works perfect, little drill, knee pads. Right here I got extensions, another air chuck, some more pliers, some more parts. If you come over here, got my Snap-on light, works pretty good. Down here I got my Snap-on pry bars, brake chamber socket, some more specialty sockets, some old ratchets, 3/8, quarter, and half-inch drive, standard and metric sockets. Wrenches, ratcheting and combination, some specialty wrenches, and a tire lug nut cover tool. Empty junk drawer, another miscellaneous drawer, hammers, dead blow and regular hammer, Allen keys, brake tools, another flashlight, voltmeter, extractors. We got some snap ring pliers, screwdrivers, drill bits. Right here I got my roll call bag and my die grinder. Right here I got some bigger wrenches. Right now I'm using this as storage, as you can see. Right here I got some brake clean and some extra parts. You just never know when you're gonna need them. Right here is kind of empty. I keep my chargers and my speaker right here, and lucky numbers for the Powerball, you know what I mean? Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you.